Here we have a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme convertible. Get a head start on summer with this drop top. Pick her up now. It'll be ready for when spring arrives. It's a very nice driver quality car. Goes down the road nicely. Paint on it shows well. Has a nice luster to it. It's got a Rocket 350 V8 underneath the hood. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, power top. Very stock looking car yet. Kind of a copper color. Got the colored keyed rally style Oldsmobile wheels. See, this car is nice and straight, and again you can see the luster of the paint, the way the door fits. Some nice body lines to it, and again, straight body lines. Does not appear to be a thick car or have much as far as rust or anything coming through on it. Around the wheel wells and paint, staying in nice shape. Interior's obviously been redone. Got the buckets up front. Center console, automatic on the floor. Parade boot fits nicely. Come around to the back. You don't see a lot of nicks or scratches or dings. I'm sure there's a few on it, obviously, if you look around. But again, to me, a very, very nice driver quality car. Again, that paint has nice luster. Go ahead and look down that side, and you see the reflection of the hot rod sitting next to it. See, the car is nice and straight. It's not real wavy. Come up and take a look. This door fits nicely. Go ahead and fire up. Runs smooth too. Nice starting vehicle. Runs smooth. Check out the door cards. Just overall interior. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Pretty stock. Nothing crazy out of the ordinary. I did try the fan a little bit ago. The fan does run. A few aftermarket gauges installed underneath the dash. Otherwise, AM radio still there. A little crack in the top of the steering wheel like you see so often, but as far as the dash is looking pretty good. Like I said, you're looking for nice, inexpensive Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme that runs nice, sounds good, has a power top. So you got the convertible action for summer. I mean, this is a nice car for the money. Very nice car for the money. If you like to see the underside pics, you can check those out. UniqueClassicCars.com. So I got still pics of the underside, engine bay, interior, inside the trunk. Again, UniqueClassicCars.com for any of the pictures. Or just give us a call if you'd like to inquire about this car or find out about shipping it to you. Number is 507-386-1726. 1971 Cutlass Supreme drop top convertible.